In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Microsoft Teams link into your Outlook calendar invitation, a process that can be completed in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're coordinating a meeting for work or organizing a virtual gathering, integrating Microsoft Teams links directly into your Outlook invitations is a game changer for streamlining communication and ensuring all participants can join with ease. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, look for the sign-in option and enter your account credentials. This step is crucial because it allows you to access your Teams account, where your meetings are scheduled, and more importantly, where you'll retrieve the meeting link. Once you've successfully signed in, your next stop is the Teams calendar. The calendar is where all your scheduled meetings live. It's an organized space that gives you a clear view of your upcoming engagements. Finding the calendar should be straightforward. Look for it in the navigation bar or menu, depending on the layout of your Teams app or web version. Upon accessing your calendar, the next step involves locating the specific meeting for which you need the Teams meeting link. Your calendar will list all the meetings, so click on the one of interest. This action will bring up the meeting details, where several options are available to manage or modify the event. Now here comes the key part, copying the meeting URL. Within the meeting details, you'll find the link that participants can use to join the meeting. This URL is what you'll need to transfer to your Outlook invitation. Therefore, carefully select the entire link and copy it. Pay close attention to ensure you've copied the link correctly to avoid any mistakes that could lead to confusion or participants being unable to join the meeting. Once you have the Microsoft Teams meeting URL copied, it's time to shift gears and head over to Outlook. In Outlook, either open an existing calendar invitation where you wish to add the Teams link, or create a new invitation. In the body of the invitation, or wherever you see fit, paste the meeting URL you previously copied from Teams. This link is what transforms a standard invitation into a clickable gateway directly into your Teams meeting, making it incredibly convenient for your invitees. By pasting your Microsoft Teams link into your Outlook invitation, you've effectively bridged the two platforms, ensuring a seamless experience for your participants. They now have all they need in one place: a date, time, and a direct link to join the virtual meeting. And there you have it, a straightforward but incredibly beneficial process that marries the organizational prowess of Outlook with the collaborative platform of Microsoft Teams. Inserting a Teams link into an Outlook invite is not just about sending an email, it's about creating a portal that smoothly transitions participants from their inbox to the virtual meeting room. Remember, the key to a successful integration of Microsoft Teams links into Outlook invitations lies in carefully copying the meeting URL and ensuring it is correctly pasted into your invite. This small but crucial step makes all the difference in facilitating easy access to your meetings and fostering effective communication among participants. We hope this guide has been helpful and you're now more comfortable integrating Microsoft Teams and Outlook. Happy meeting scheduling, and here's to more productive and streamlined virtual gatherings.